Every great achievement in human history began as a dream. Before the skyscrapers touched the clouds, before scientific breakthroughs changed our lives, before artists and leaders shaped the world we live in today, there was first an idea, a vision, a dream that existed only in the imagination of someone courageous enough to believe it could become real. Yet, for so many of us, our biggest dreams remain just that, dreams. Not because we lack talent, but because the path from dreaming to doing feels uncertain, overwhelming, or even impossible. Today, we're going to bridge that gap. This isn't just about motivation, it's about clarity, discipline, and strategy. It's about transforming big dreams into concrete, achievable realities. By the end of this, you'll not only understand why your dreams matter, but exactly how to pursue them in a practical, sustainable way. Let's start with understanding the power of a big dream. Big dreams aren't just random fantasies, they are signals. They reflect your deepest values, your true potential, and your desire to contribute something meaningful. When you dream big, you're responding to an inner voice that says, "There is more I can become, and more I can offer." But big dreams are intimidating. They challenge our comfort zones and expose our fear of failure, fear of judgment, and sometimes even fear of success. It's crucial to acknowledge these fears. If you don't, they will silently sabotage your progress. Big dreams demand courage, not because they're unrealistic, but because they force you to grow. You have to evolve into the person capable of achieving them. This is why dreaming big isn't an escape from reality. It's an invitation to engage with reality on a much higher level. Now, let's talk clarity. A dream without clarity is just a wish. To make it real, you have to define it with precision. Ask yourself, what exactly do I want to achieve? Why does this matter so much to me? What will my life look like when this dream is a reality? Vague goals lead to vague results. "I want to be successful" isn't enough. Define what success means to you. Is it financial independence? Creative freedom? Making an impact? When you articulate your dream clearly, you give your mind a target to focus on. Clarity transforms ambition into direction. It helps you say no to distractions and yes to opportunities that align with your vision. So, write your dream down. Describe it in detail. Revisit it often. A written dream becomes your compass, keeping you on track even when motivation fades. One of the most overlooked parts of achieving big dreams is alignment. If your dream conflicts with your core values, you'll struggle to sustain the effort. Ask yourself, does this dream reflect who I truly am? Am I pursuing this for myself or to meet someone else's expectations? When your dream is aligned with your values, discipline feels purposeful, not forced. Sacrifice feels meaningful, not draining. Dreams that are borrowed or motivated by external validation often collapse under pressure. But dreams that are deeply personal and authentic are incredibly resilient. So, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. Big dreams become achievable when they're broken down into smaller, manageable goals. This is where strategy replaces overwhelm. Think of your dream as the destination. Your goals are the milestones along the way. Create long-term goals for your ultimate dream, mid-term goals for the next few years, and short-term goals for your daily and weekly actions. This structure turns an intimidating vision into a series of achievable steps. You start to see progress, build momentum, and grow your confidence. Remember, consistency is far more important than intensity. Small daily actions compound into extraordinary results over time. Dreams don't come true by desire alone. They require competence. Once you've defined your dream, identify the skills you need to achieve it. Be honest with yourself. What do you already know, and where are the gaps? Commit to lifelong learning through books, courses, mentors, and real-world practice. Approach learning with humility and curiosity. The more capable you become, the less intimidating your dream will feel. Confidence grows naturally from competence, and as your skills improve, opportunities will start to find you. Finally, none of this works without discipline. Motivation is temporary. It comes and goes. Discipline is what carries you through the long journey. Discipline is showing up even when you don't feel inspired. It's honoring the commitments you make to yourself. It's choosing long-term fulfillment over short-term comfort. Create routines that support your dream. Structure your days around your priorities. Protect your time and energy. Professional success is rarely about extraordinary talent. More often, it's about ordinary people who consistently do the necessary work, day in and day out, even when no one is watching. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. If this helped you gain some clarity, make sure to like and subscribe for more content on building a life you're proud of. Let's get to work. Fear and doubt. They're going to show up. That's a guarantee on the road to any big dream. The goal isn't to get rid of them completely, but to learn how to manage them. And failure. It's not the opposite of success. It's a part of it. Every single setback is just feedback. Every mistake is a lesson. When you stumble, take a moment, reflect on what went wrong, adjust your strategy, and then move forward, but this time with more wisdom. Resilience isn't something you're born with. It's built through repetition. Each time you pick yourself up from disappointment, you get stronger, you get tougher, and you reinforce your ability to persevere. You can't achieve a big dream all by yourself. It's just not possible. You need to surround yourself with the right people. Seek out mentors, people who have already walked the path you're on. Build a network of peers who challenge you, support you, and inspire you. At the same time, you have to distance yourself from constant negativity and cynicism. Your environment literally shapes your mindset. So choose communities that encourage growth, accountability, and excellence. Collaboration is a superpower. It accelerates progress like nothing else. Learn to ask for help when you need it, share your ideas freely, and always look for ways to contribute value to others. Big dreams demand courage, and courage often means taking risks. Now, risk isn't the same as recklessness. It's about making informed decisions even when the future is uncertain. It's about trusting yourself to adapt and respond no matter what comes your way. Real growth only happens at the very edge of your comfort zone. Each calculated risk you take expands your abilities and opens up brand new possibilities you could unsee before. Here's a hard truth. Dreams rarely unfold on our perfect timeline. This is where patience comes in. But patience isn't just sitting around and waiting. It's active persistence. It's staying committed even when progress feels incredibly slow. You have to celebrate the small wins along the way to keep your morale up. Revisit your vision regularly to remind yourself why you started. Persistence is that quiet, unwavering determination to keep going long after the initial excitement has faded. It's the one thing that separates those who only dream from those who actually achieve. To make sure you're on track, regular reflection is essential. Look at your progress honestly. Are the actions you're taking every day aligned with your ultimate goals? Are your strategies actually working? And be willing to adapt. Flexibility is a huge strength, not a weakness. Adjusting your approach doesn't mean you re-abandoning your dream. It just means you re-refining the path to get there. And please don't forget to maintain balance and well-being. Sustainable success requires it. Protect your physical health, your mental well-being, and your relationships. Burnout is the enemy of long-term achievement. Rest isn't a reward you get at the end. It's a requirement to keep going. Ultimately, making your big dreams a reality isn't just about the outcome. It's about becoming the person who is capable of achieving it. Your dream will demand growth, discipline, resilience, and courage from you. But in return, it will shape your character, expand your perspective, and give your life a much deeper meaning. So don't wait for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. Start right where you are, right now. Use whatever you have. Just take the next step. Big dreams are not reserved for a chosen few. They belong to anyone who is willing to pursue them with intention, consistency, and belief. Your dream is possible. And the journey starts now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.